The foundation of the practice is a completely pure and noble intention and a heartfelt trust in the three jewels. Then, first, to abandon entirely all negative intentions and actions of body, speech, and mind that might cause harm to others is the essence of the pratimoksa, or vows of individual liberation. Second, to practice wholeheartedly all types of virtue that bring benefit to others is the essence of the bodhisattva's vows. Third, at the root of these two is taming one's own unruly mind by means of mindfulness, vigilance, and conscientiousness, and training oneself to recognize the all-encompassing purity of appearance and existence. This is the essence of the vows' secret mantra. This is how to practice, by combining the points of the three sets of vows in a single crucial instruction.